While managing or developing a Magento 2 site, the main focus is performance, security, and error management. These are all managed effectively using Magento's default, developer, and production modes. Our focus today is a deep dive into these Magento 2 modes, an essential step to optimizing and securing your site. Let's get started. The default mode in Magento 2 is the initial mode when you launch your site, allowing you to deploy the application without altering the settings. Let's take a look at the developer mode. This mode is designed for developers and provides advanced logging and debugging features. To set Magento 2 to developer mode, run the following command in the command line interface. Moving on, we have the production mode, ideal for live and operational Magento 2 sites. The production mode offers efficient, secure operations and protects against unauthorized data modifications. To switch to production mode, use the following command. Lastly, let's learn how to check which mode your Magento 2 site is currently in. It can be done by running this command. The command displays the current mode of your Magento 2 site, whether it's in default, developer, or production mode. And that's it. Whether customizing your site or preparing it for live operation, choosing the right mode is crucial for achieving optimal performance. We hope you found this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching.